Hey, what's up you guys? It's me. Today I am going to be going to the salon to get my hair cut for the first time in 10 years. I'm not excited. Well, I am, but like I'm scared, like really scared, because last time I went to a hairstylist, they cut it really short, like up to here. You can't do that with curly hair because it shrinks once it curls. So I hated it, and ever since then I have not cut my hair. So I'm gonna go in right now to get my hair cut. So this is how long my hair is right now. And yeah, it's pretty freaking long, and it's curly too, and it's that long, so like she needs to be cut. Hopefully it works out. I'll see you guys soon.
Hello, darkness, my old friend.
It was like dangling, and I was like, oh, it's okay. Like I'll just go back like to the. Oh, it's okay. I'll just go back to the sand and I'll redo it. And it,
Alright guys, we're gonna cut this hair. 10 years of growth. Look at that.
oh my god, I'm gonna cry.
First
Oh
cut.
my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. It's gonna be good.
It's gonna look
Oh my
so
god,
good.
I see it on the floor. Oh, that's so weird.
Yes!
Oh my god.
Oh my god, me combing the wet hair in the floor.
That's 10 years that that's been on my head.
I'm so happy because your hair's gonna look so good. And like I feel like it's not gonna get that tangled anymore.
Yeah.
Yeah. Hey!
Oh my god, it's so weird.
It doesn't.
No, it isn't.
I'm like, that's nothing.
Oh my god. Oh my god, it's so short.
Me, that's still so long.
I know, it's so long. Oh my god. Okay. It looks good. It looks like it's gonna be so much easier to do.
Yeah, for sure. Oh, me, it's blurring out.
Oh my god, it looks good.
Yes.
Oh my god.
You're gonna be like, no. Flexing on everyone at school.
I know. Oh my god, it looks good. I don't look ugly.
No, why?
Just do it, just do it, just do it, just do it, just do it. Yes! I trust you, I trust you. It's gonna be good.
This is so weird to me. Like,
I know. Oh my god.
Go with the brothers, boo, you know how we do. not for me to say you love. It's not for me to say.
I smell sweaty.
I'm like, it's so weird to see your like hair straight. Dang, that looks good.
Oh my god.
Look at that. That looks so
Oh my God,
pretty.
that
That
looks
looks
so
so pretty.
Oh my god.
Girl, who are you? Get out of here.
Oh my god. I thought it was the shit before. Can you imagine now? Damn. This looks so good. It looks so
You
healthy.
thought you were the shit before?
Now look at me. Oh, it looks so healthy.
It looks so good. Like,
So good. I
like
love
old
it.
Sylvia could never.
Touch it?
Oh my god. Oh my god. It's so
I'm
smooth.
I'm gonna touch
It's
it.
so smooth.
Oh my god.
Oh my god. Okay. Yeah, take a picture. Okay. Oh my god.
I'm triggered.
Oh my god. Get a front of him right now. You
Yeah.
can. It looks so good.
Do you like it?
I love it
Yeah.
so much.
New hair? Who this? Ooh, okay. Okay. Oh my gosh, it looks so good.
Thank you.
All right, thoughts?
I love it. It's so good. It looks so much healthier. I
Dang.
love the part too.
Yeah.
I love it. This is great. So I got my haircut and it's honestly great, as you guys saw by the clips. I literally love it so much. I think it's such a big difference, but it looks so healthy and I love it. And so I'm excited to use it tonight. I'm excited for tonight and I don't know, we'll see. I love it. Oh my god, I'll keep you guys updated. Hey, what's up you guys? It's been like 2 days since I got my haircut and this is what my hair looks like now. I absolutely love it. I love the haircut and I didn't think I was going to. I thought I was going to regret it, but I think it's the best decision I've made in a while. I used to come in the morning, go about my business, come back at night, and it would be tangled again. And it was just such a big hassle and it required a lot of dedication. I didn't want to give it anymore. Even you guys saw when she washed my hair, it got tangled and I had just brushed my hair that morning. So that was my life every single day. I hated it and it required a lot of maintenance that I just didn't want to give it anymore, and that's why I decided to do it. I absolutely love my hair now. It is like fresh out the shower right now with no product, so I think that it is going to shrink up a little once it dries all the way. It's like 60% dry now, and it'll probably shrink up even more when I put in my curling products in it, but this is what it looks like now. I think it is the perfect length, and once again, it's so manageable and I love it. I literally love my hair. And if you guys have been waiting to cut your hair, this is a sign. I absolutely recommend it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I want to just say thank you guys so much for watching and coming along on this weird journey with me. I know a lot of people think this might not be a big deal, and you guys are probably like, oh, she must have trimmed it. No, I had not cut my hair whatsoever in 10 years, not even one single trim. It was just a weird thing for me, and just something I was not really comfortable with. Like, the idea of even cutting my hair like terrified me. So the fact that I was able to pull through with it and you guys got to see the whole thing is a big deal. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and if you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. I have way more videos coming soon. But yeah, other than that, I think I'll see you guys next time. Bye!